Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make some pumpkin spice muffins. For ingredients, you're going to need some eggs, oil of your choosing, some maple syrup or sweetener of any kind, some vanilla extract, and pumpkin puree. And for the dry ingredients, you're going to need some flour, some baking soda, some baking powder, some ground cinnamon, and some pumpkin spice. And this is optional, but you can add chocolate chips if you like.
Okay, so first off, we're going to start off by getting 2 separate bowls, one for the wet ingredients and one for all dry ingredients. And then I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 whole eggs and then add 1/3 cup of avocado oil. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and pour 1/2 cup of maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice. And I would suggest to have the bowl right underneath just because it can get sticky. I'm going to go ahead and pour. Next up is the pumpkin puree. So this is a whole can, but I used half of it. So that should be equivalent to about 1 cup. After that, I'm going to go ahead and pour up 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then again, mix. And I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video. So after mixing all my wet ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the dry ingredients. So I'm going to grab my other bowl and go ahead and put in 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to want to add 1 whole teaspoon of pumpkin spice powder. And this is optional, but you can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're going to go ahead and mix that. Before combining our wet and dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven at 350. And now I'm going to go ahead and mix both the wet and dry ingredients. And I'm going to go ahead and mix. And I will speed up the video. And this is totally optional, but you can add those chocolate chips and you can add however much you'd like. And then after finishing up the final mix, you can go ahead and add all the batter into the muffin tin. After filling up each spot, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And that is it. That is how you get some sweet and delicious pumpkin spice muffins. Thanks for watching.